What's going on, everybody? So it's been a while since the last video I posted. As you can see, it's a nice day outside. In Ohio, we've been having some really crappy weather. Yesterday it just snowed, and today it's about 50 degrees outside. But as you can see, Mustang is pretty dirty. So we're gonna do a quick wash, and then I'm gonna be explaining new things about the channel. And stay tuned, because at the end of the video there will be a giveaway for all my subscribers, so just stay tuned and I'll explain that later. So the usual things that I use to wash my car are this Wash and Wax Ultra Shine by Armor All, and I usually mix that into the foam cannon that I hook up to the power washer, but unfortunately we don't have that today, so we're going to be doing a different method. But with the foam cannon, I usually put half of this in and then half warm water, and that works really well. But today we're just going to be using a bucket of soap and this hand washer. And then for the tires, I always use the tire foam, and it gets those tires nice and black and so that they don't look gray. With all that said, let's get a nice cold start and then start washing this car. I want to pause this video real quick to just let you guys know that I am putting my car up for sale. The reason I'm doing this is because I basically put every mod that you can on this V6 Mustang so that it looks and sounds nice. I didn't put any of those tacky mods on because I don't really like them that much. But go head over to my email. I will link it in the description below. It is stanggang1300@gmail.com. So as you can see, car has 143,000 miles on it. The battery and the oil are on because I haven't started the car yet. And then it does have a check engine light. That's only because of my catalytic converters. When I switched over to the BBK high flow cats, my engine didn't like that, but there's no issues with it. The only reason I think is because of the O2 sensors. And since the car is getting more air than it's used to, it just throws the code at you. But you can erase it if you want to. So like if you have to get an e-check or something, but that just comes right off. But other than that, never had any other issue. The car is very clean. I always keep it high maintenance. But if you're interested, my email will be in the description below. So just shoot me an email if you're interested, or you have a friend that's interested in buying it. Shoot me an offer and I will surely get back to you via email. Thank you. Also, don't forget to stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll be explaining the giveaway. for the drying process, I usually use this 40-volt electric leaf blower to get rid of the big water spots on the car. And then I finish it up with this drying towel, and it dries the car the best to its ability, and it leaves no marks, scratches, or smears on the car. So I have a lot of people wondering where I get my parts from. So I get them from this website called AmericanMuscle, and I love using this website and love their products. So I'm going to be giving away a $1,000 gift card to AmericanMuscle to one lucky subscriber so that you can experience their products too. As you can see, 99% of the people watching my video are not subscribed. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe, and once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be giving this gift card away. As you can see, I've been getting 2,000 to 3,000 views on my videos, so I think 2,000 subscribers for this giveaway is not hard to come to. But please like and subscribe so you could get a chance to get this $1,000 gift card to AmericanMuscle, and I will see you guys in the next video.